Hey guys, it's Dave.
And Brandy here from Dave and Brandy's Excursions. Here with a little treat for you guys today.
Yeah, on this rainy day, we all have that favorite treat on a cruise ship, and one of the staples in the industry is Carnival's Chocolate Melting Cake, which
yes,
happens to be one of our favorites too. So we figured we'd give you a little
fun video of us making the famous chocolate melting cake.
Yeah, this ought to be interesting.
And we'll have fun.
So.
All right. So to start out with, you're of course gonna have your chocolate. So it's about 3/4 cup. Everything on Carnival's site is in ounces, but it's 3/4 cup of chocolate, dark chocolate. But we had to improvise. There's semi-sweet, and I put a little bit of 100% cacao powder in it, so make it a little bit dark. Then we got 6 ounces or 3/4 cup of butter. Got 4 little eggs. Then we're gonna put 3 ounces of sugar, which is just like 3/8 cup of sugar. And 2 ounces of flour, which is 1/4 cup of flour. So let's mash everything together. So we're gonna melt our butter.
We can get it off. I'm not a baker.
Yeah, I'll train you. Yeah, you could definitely tell it's a rich dessert when it has all this butter in it. There we go. All right.
Still a little late.
There you go. So I would put like more, a little bit lower. There we go. Like a medium heat.
Butter started melting
Yeah.
first.
We'll melt this. Yeah, we'll melt the butter first.
Enough?
Yeah, so we got some of the butter melted, so we'll add our decadent chocolate. Then we're just gonna blend everything together till it's smooth and yummy looking, I guess. How are we making out, dear?
I think it's pretty good. It's good to me.
Yeah?
I'd put more chocolate in, but I'm being told no.
I'm going by the recipe.
Alright.
Alright. So I guess we'll shut that off and combine the rest. Alright. Since the chocolate and butter are melted, we are gonna add, let's see, mix the eggs. So we got 4 eggs here. Try to make sure you don't get any shells in here. Alright. Alright, do you want to give me a
Sure.
bounty? Eggs are messy. Thank you. Alright. Then we need the sugar.
Sugar.
Sugar for my sugar.
Okay. So 1/4 underneath.
Yep. Put it in here.
There.
Yeah.
Perfecto.
Alright. Add the eggs. gonna whisk them all together here for a couple minutes. That's what it says at least, but probably not that long. There. And then I need flour.
Oh, which is 2 ounces, so
Yep.
quarter cup.
Yep. Yeah, flour's not the easiest though.
That's good though.
Yep.
Here.
Plop her in. Alright, grab. Go.
Dangerous, that thing.
This isn't dangerous. Then we're gonna marry this with the chocolate.
You want it in there?
Yep.
Don't you move your spoon so I don't thumb it down the handle.
Oh, does that smell good? All right. Oh, that smells heavenly. All right. Then it's gonna be the fun part. Put them in the ramekins. Actually, dear, why don't you grab me the
Sheet.
Yep. Then we'll just place them on there. There we go. Alright. Yuck. Yeah, you know what, I'll just do this. See if I could get them evenly in here.
I think my next job is taste test.
Maybe. Alright. That's good. They're all about even. I don't want to. Beautiful. Alright.
Out of the way.
Out of the way. And then we're going to put these in the oven for 14 minutes at 390 degrees.
Which you've already got preheated.
Yep. And there we go. Technical difficulties,
You have to
but
push the right button.
yeah.
So now what do we do?
I think we need a different kind of snack in between.
Cold snack?
Yeah.
That I can handle. That's my department.
All right.
What are we having today, dear?
We are having one of our local breweries here from Bricker Brewing Company. Pineapple Yum Yum IPA. Keep it on the tropical theme, you know.
Rested on pineapple puree with vanilla beans. 8.3%.
Sounds good to me.
Might do it.
Yeah.
They're spilling.
Don't be wasting the beer.
I know. These crawlers stink.
There we go.
It smells pineapple-y.
Yeah. Clean up, crew.
Yeah.
Oh, it does smell good. There we go. All right.
All right, guys.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers to cruise food.
Mm. Oh, that's good.
Wish you guys could taste this.
Mm.
You even keeping the theme of Carnival, having it in a Thirsty Frog red glass.
Well, I guess now we wait.
Yep.
We're gonna enjoy our beer
And just wait another.
wait it out.
Yep.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Ooh, they're done. Ooh, they look good. Here we go. And they smell delicious.
Yes. And the final touch.
Ooh. You look so pretty.
They do.
Yeah, there you go. So fancy. Alright.
Alright guys. There's
Out of the way.
Alright.
Beautiful.
They do look great. Alright guys. This is where the argument begins. Because, well, it always starts the same way. You have your chocolate melting cake with your favorite ice cream, which we have some vanilla chocolate chip today.
Yep. From our local creamery.
Yep.
So fitting with the theme.
More 2 scoops.
Yeah, 2 scoops. You gotta do the Mickey Mouse.
And to me, that is the perfect dessert.
But I think otherwise.
And you are wrong.
You're not wrong.
Ugh.
Peanut butter. I want to have a little dish, so I'm gonna put a little smear on the side of my plate.
I'm just gonna ruin it.
I'm making it. I'm enhancing it.
Is that what you're calling it?
Yeah.
Just take your weapon.
Oh, I'll take my weapon. All right. Ready for the taste test?
I am. Let's see how they came out. How? Oh.
Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah.
It's probably hot, but
Perfect.
that'll do.
That'll do.
No, you know what's even better?
No. You're gonna ruin it.
No.
Whoa, no.
Like a big glob.
All right, guys. Oh. All
Choose
right.
your own.
Yes. That was fun.
Yeah, that was fun. We work good as a team.
Yeah,
Yes.
most of the time.
Oh.
Yeah, no, we're just kidding, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Try it at home. It's delicious. It just brings a little happiness to this crazy time.
Absolutely. And drop down in the comments below. What is your favorite cruise line dessert?
Absolutely. Yeah, there's a lot. I mean, we love this.
I like the baked Alaska.
Baked Alaska, the creme brulee on Carnival. There's so many,
Yeah.
but
Even the cakes that they have out now, the funfetti cheesecake
yeah,
in the buffet.
it's more of a buffet daytime thing. But
Yeah.
Other than dining room desserts,
Yeah.
But guys, thanks for joining us. We're gonna go enjoy our chocolate melting cake here and our
And
rest of our beer,
beers.
and then later we got to think about dinner because,
Yeah.
but we'll get there.
Yeah.
But
When that time comes, we'll get there.
all right, guys, thank you.
Yes.
Please subscribe, like the video if you like this kind of thing, and let us know some more ideas.
Yeah, absolutely. We need some time to kill before our next cruise.
Thanks, guys.
Just take care. Stay safe.